In this video, I will show how to find the z alpha for any given alpha. When working with the standard normal random variable, also known as z variable, the most important fact to remember is that all the answers to the questions of the form probability of z being less than some value are recorded in what's called the z table and can be found by looking at the intersection of the associated row and column. To find z alpha, we would look for 1 minus alpha inside the table and then simply add the numbers from the margin of the table together. However, the question doesn't seem to be asking for z alpha, so first let's try to understand what is the question asking us for. To find the 57th percentile for z means to find the value so that 57% of the data is to the left of that value. So this is where the 57th percentile is. However, if 57% are below this value, that means 43% are above. But this is exactly what z alpha is for. So the value that we're looking for is actually can be labeled by z.43. So now finding the 57th percentile for z is exactly the same as finding z.43. And to find z.43, we look for 1 minus alpha, which is 0.57, or the value that is nearest to 0.57 inside the table. So if we look inside the table, we'll find that the nearest value to 0.57 is 0.5714, and then we'll simply read the margins of the table. So this value corresponds to row 0.1 and column 0.08. Therefore, z.43 is equal to 0.18. So 0.18 is z.43, and at the same time it's the 57th percentile for z.